Hi guys, we're here at Worldwide RV and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2023 Jayco Jayfeather 21mmL. Let's go ahead and take a little walk around and look at all the features on the exterior of this unit first. Alright, let's start at the front of this unit. Right here, we're going to have our electric tongue jack. Right behind it, we have our LP tanks, and these are going to have a 40-pound capacity. Moving on from that, we're going to have our storage container here in the front. This is going to go all the way through, as well as have a magnet here for the door. Makes it really easy to get in there and not bump your head on anything. Moving over here, we have our 120-volt plug. This is going to be on the outside of the unit because you do have an outside TV mount here. Moving on to the back of this unit, you are going to have your standard ladder there in the back, as well as your spare tire back here. At the top, you'll see your backup camera there as well. Now let's take a step inside and see what else this RV has to offer. As soon as we step inside of this unit, you're going to see plenty of space in here with that one slide out. To our right, we have our Murphy bed here. This is going to have storage on the sides, as well as if you pull this up, underneath you're going to see you are given an outside table as well. Pulling the Murphy bed down, it's going to give you access to your queen size bed, and look at this backsplash. I just think that's so beautiful. So across from your sleeping area, you are going to have this beautiful dinette. This is going to convert down into some additional sleeping. You're also going to have some storage above, below, and you're going to have your TV right here as well, which is perfect because across from the TV, you're going to have your theater seating. Next to your theater seating, you're going to have your electric fridge here. This is going to be a pretty spacious fridge. You're going to have lots of room in there, as well as this kitchen. This kitchen has lots of room in it. We have our 3-burner stove top, as well as our oven right here. And then we're also going to have our double sink. We also have this pop-up power tower. So this is going to go up and down, giving you some extra counter space as well. Across from the kitchen, in the back right of this unit, you are going to find your bathroom. Now this bathroom is very spacious. We have plenty of room to move around in here. You're going to have a nice at-home style sink with lots of storage in here as well. This shower is also very spacious. You're also going to have a shower head that does come down to make it easy to wash your dogs or just rinse some things off in this tub right here. Alright folks, there you have it. That was a look at this Jayco Jayfeather 21mmL. Now if you like this unit, feel free to check it out online or come in today at 4660 East Main Street, right in between Higley and Greenfield. We have this unit currently available for $28,741, which is a smoking deal. Hope to see you soon.